Anyway, for the people that are watching this, this is my journey. If you're wondering how I did it, how I got to my first how I got to making more than your daddy, how I got to making more than your parents. This is how I did it, bro. What is up? This is my first ever vlog. My room is messy as hell, but anyway, I'm doing a vlog, man. I'm starting this vlog and shit. I'm just get comfortable speaking to the camera. Well, obviously I've been doing them short form videos and shit, but those things are like, you barely see me for that long. You barely see my personality and stuff. So for the guys that do want to follow my journey, basically what this is about is I'm on my way to making my first just making a living off my phone, bro. So if you don't know what I do growth operating. It's the vehicle that's gonna take me to where I want to go in life, and I'm gonna just start documenting my journey. So when I do hit that shit, which should be very soon, y'all niggas aren't just like, hey yo, bro, that nigga scamming. That nigga he just popped out of nowhere. No, bro, you guys are gonna see my fucking journey. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna explain just real quick in my first video. I'm gonna just explain what I do basically as I take out my fucking hair, because this shit is musty as hell. And yeah, you guys I'll just explain real quick. And I might go gym later on, so you guys can actually just see my life, see my personality. I was speaking to the guy on Instagram, shout out my boy Leo, and he was telling me, just be yourself, bro. Just show people your personality. And that's what I'm doing now. But first I need to find a fucking comb so I can comb my hair out. And then yeah, I'm gonna sit down and explain to y'all what I do, so you guys understand what the fuck I do and how I'm actually getting to where I want to get to and the strategy I use. And I'm just documenting it step by step, my entire more fun journey. You guys can, I don't know, just stay along for the journey if you wanna join in, if you're trying to eventually learn about what I do. And you know, you can even try that shit out if you want to as well. Yeah, so basically what I do is growth operating. So if you don't know what growth operating is, you know, these big influences that you guys see on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is, all the Iman Gadzis, Andrew Tate, whatever they are, all these guys, the ones that you guys see are freaking scammers, Caprice, all them niggas, Quan and stuff. So what they all do to make most of their money actually is they sell courses. If you don't know what a fucking course is or paid community is, I don't know, bro, you're just slow. You must be living under a rock or something. But anyway, what they do is they sell courses, and they need people to build those courses for them and funnel people into them. And that's where I come along. So basically what I do is, as a growth operator, I build out courses and communities for influencers such as that. So I just approach the influencer and I say, yo, bro, you trying to teach your audience? And then when they say, yeah, man. Is it focus? Yeah, so yeah. I approach them and I say, yo, bro, you trying to build a community, a course to teach people? And then I build it up for them. Obviously, I've been training at this shit for quite a while now, almost a year. So don't think you're just gonna hop straight into it. Alright, my freaking thing, my storage keeps going out. So I had to delete TikTok so I can keep making this video. So yeah, that's what I do. And don't think you're just gonna come into this shit and just automatically people are just gonna pay you money, bro. People aren't just gonna pay you money unless they know you have a certain specific skill set that's actually gonna benefit them. If you don't have value, then you're not gonna get paid. Why would someone pay you freaking 10 bands a month when, you know, you haven't gone through the training to even deserve that amount of money? So yeah, I've obviously gone through the training, and now all I need to do is just find the right client. And before you know it, I'm gonna be your next damn big influencer. And then you're gonna be like, oh, this nigga's a scammer. Scammer, how the fuck am I a scammer, bro? You're seeing me right now, you're seeing my journey. And that's kind of one of the main reasons I'm making this, so you guys can see my journey. So when I do reach there, then you guys understand where I came from. And you understand that I'm just not like no freaking mass scammer that's just taking all your money. Started this shit from a young, bro. I'm in the trenches right now. I'm in the trenches. Yeah, basically that's what I do. I build out courses and then I get paid off that. Commission fees, whatever it is. Even if I'm doing setting, closing. I actually paid for a course to actually learn this. And I had to invest in myself. That's another big thing. If you guys are trying to make, you know, however much money it is every single month, bro, you have to invest in yourself. Like, if you don't invest in yourself, then no one's going to invest in you. And you might see it as like, oh, that's a lot of money paying for a $1,000 course. But the amount of knowledge that you'll get out of that, bro, like I never actually believed that shit when people would say, you have to invest in yourself. And now I'm actually realizing it, bro. Like, I've already made the money back that I spent on that course. And I'm on track to making even more. And the knowledge that I gained from that is freaking insane, bro. Profound. Like, this is the type of shit that you don't just get for free on YouTube. And you have to pay for it. Because if, for example, me, if I've gone through this whole, 3-year journey to get to however much $1 million when I do get to that, why would I give away all of that just for free? So you got to understand, people aren't just going to give out all their years, all their trial and error, all the effort that they put in, the late nights, early mornings. They're not just going to give out all of that for free on a YouTube video. They're obviously going to charge for it. So don't start calling people scammers when they're actually helping you out. You don't have to go through the struggle. All you have to do is freaking pay a little bit of money. Pretty much. Hold on one second. So yeah, pretty much. You just gotta invest in yourself. Fucking no cow, bro. My freaking phone's almost dead. But yeah, you just gotta invest in yourself, gang. Like, just sit down, whether it's before school, after school, before work, after work, just put in that time and just learn. You just gotta learn. I was speaking to a big brand owner last night, and he was telling me, bro, the most powerful thing that you have is your brain. So you gotta train it every single day. Same way you go to the gym, you train freaking arms, you train back, you train chest. You gotta train your brain through reading books, educating yourself. Whenever you get the chance, bro, just do it. And before you know it, your brain will take you crazy places. Like, I've always thought of this. If you and Elon Musk was left in freaking, if they took everything away from you, all your possessions and everything, you had nothing to your name, you would still be another broke motherfucker. But Elon Musk, he would go straight back up. Sure, it might take him a while, but he will eventually get back to where he is, even though he has the same resources as you. But the only thing that he has different is his brain, bro, because he's trained it so much. The same way you're training in the gym, he's been training his brain. Every single day, day after day, week after week, he's been training it. So it's so powerful to the point that, like, money's a game to him, bro. It means nothing. And he can make it in his fucking sleep. So even if you take all his possessions, he still knows how to get it straight back. That's what you need to do, bro. Just train your mind, and eventually, fuck, that feels so good. And eventually, you'll get a strong enough mind to be able to achieve the things that you actually want to achieve. If you're trying to just make 10K a month, if you're trying to make 20K a month, bro, listen to how stupid this is. You only need to make $8,000 a month to hit 100K a month. And then you're already making more than a whole bunch of, more than 80% of the population, 90% of the population. Right, 90 is OD. I don't know about that, but anyway, 80 at least, 80% of the population, bro. So imagine that. All you have to do is just lock the fuck in, make your first 8K a month, and from then on, you're already in the top, 20%, 10%. Then from there, you already have the skills, and then you just keep going and going. And the further you get, before you know it, you're in the top 1%, bro. It's not that fucking hard. The way people play it out, say, bro, it's difficult. These guys, people think that the guys that they see on, YouTube and stuff, on Instagram, making all this money, they have like some sort of profound knowledge. They have some sort of superpowers. They were born with a gift. No, they're not, bro. They're regular people, just like me. You can see me right now. Eventually, when I am like one of those guys on Instagram that you see with all the cars and stuff, you're gonna think again, oh, this guy must have been born with some crazy ass knowledge or something. Bro, I'm a normal fucking person like you. I'm in year 12, I'm 17 years old, I'm going to school. But the difference between me and you is I'm actually investing myself, and I'm actually doing shit to actually train my mind. I'm hitting the gym in my brain, muscling, working out, actually working hard to get where I'm trying to get to, where I'm getting to. And that's all you need to do, bro. Just train your mind every single day and realize that this shit is so fucking easy. Just imagine that, just $8,000 every single month. If you can make $8,000 every single month, that is two high ticket deals. You could become a high ticket closer, and just not even a high ticket closer. You could sell a high ticket product and you just close 2 of those a month. 2 a month, bro. You have 2 weeks to close one, another 2 weeks to close another. And you're already making more than 80% of the freaking population. When you put it in a way like that, then you see it's much more achievable than people actually play it out to be. That's all you need to do, bro. Just work your freaking mind out. Let me find a damn comb so I can comb my shit out. 1 second. That's all you need to do, bro. Just work it out. Work it out every fucking day. And if you're a young guy, you know, let's say 18 and below, bro, you have all the fucking opportunities in the world. So tell me why you would settle for something less when people ask you, what do you want to be in the future? I want to work in the mines. I want to do this. I want to become the manager of this. Bro, I talk to people freaking my age making more than doctors. Tell me how these fucking 17-year-old kids making $200K plus a month. Every single month. And you're telling me you want to settle for some bullshit job. Come on, bro. It doesn't even make sense. At all. I can't even find the freaking phone. Come on, bro. Yo, Matthew. Have you seen a comb or something? Yeah. Where? Yeah. Not funny.
There, in the sitting room. I think they are in the brown thing, right?
In casino. Where? We're in the sitting room, bro. This isn't a comb, bro. This is a damn. I can't use this. This is gonna murder me. Yo, Mika.
Yeah.
Yo, dude. Mika, dude.
You need me to read it?
Yeah. Later on.
The 2 colors again, or?
Yeah.
Can I try no more than 2?
What do you mean?
Like 4?
4 base, just douche.
Yeah.
I don't know how that would look.
All with your hair, with your stone.
Unless you want to do like, I don't know, we'll check Google and then we'll just find like some random shit and then you can try it out. Experimentation. Damn, bro, I can't find the comb. Anyway, let me just go back to talking to you guys, bro. Anyway, for the people that are watching this is my journey. If you're wondering how I did it, how I got to my first how I got to making more than your daddy, how I got to making more than your parents. This is how I did it, bro. This is the type of mindset you need to come in with. You can't just think that, you know, you're just going to settle for some weak job and you're going to eventually start making as much as these guys you see on Instagram and YouTube. You can't, bro. You have to take risks. You got to take risks, man. You got to just get in the trenches. Even when your parents are saying that's a bad idea, bro. I don't think you should be, not focusing on school. Because obviously our parents grew up in a different time. There was like legit no way for them to be making money off their phone. But nowadays, bro, it's so fucking easy. You can make so much money. Legit, all you need is a phone and a laptop. Even if you don't have a laptop, bro, at least you have a phone. Make videos, just post content, find dropshipping, find anything. And for all the people that say this business model is dead, dropshipping is dead, SMMA is dead, nothing is fucking dead, bro. What's dead is your freaking discipline. The way that you take these things. If you come into something thinking that it's dead and thinking there's no way to make money, obviously you're not gonna make any fucking money from it, bro. You have to believe, you have to be optimistic, and you have to think that what you're doing is actually going to work. You have to know that it's going to work. And for example, me, I know that it's going to work. I know this is going to be my full-time job eventually. So this is just like me documenting myself because I already know that I'm going to achieve it. So I might as well fucking document my journey. So you too, you guys who are my age, who are in my same country, my same city, know that you can achieve that shit too, bro. You can do it as well. And you might be thinking, oh, this guy's taking a piss. This guy's a joker, man. There's no way he's gonna do that shit. He's just bullshitting, bro. Watch me, fucking watch me. And when I do, bro, you're gonna be sick to your stomach that you settled for that bullshit Macca's job just so you can make an extra, couple $1,000 a month, not even a couple $1,000 a month, just so you can make an extra $1,000 a month so you can go fucking get your car and then life's complete. No, it's fucking not, bro. I'll sacrifice my freaking getting a car at a young age for me to get a freaking Lambo when I'm 20. Any day of the week, bro. Any fucking day of the week. I'd rather be broke right now to be successful later on than for me to be just not even successful, just for me to be all right now. Just so I can fit in with everyone. Have a little Mazda. Be like everyone else. Work at Macca's or some shit so I can get my first car, get my P's. No, bro. Nah, man. I'll be that guy pulling up in my P-platers in a fucking Lamborghini, bro. And then you'll be like, how the fuck did he do that, man? You're watching it right now. You're watching how the fuck I did it. You gotta have confidence in your fucking self. But yeah, this whole video is just basically explaining my journey and telling you that you need to shift your paradigm, bro. Broski, just change the way you think. And eventually, you'll achieve it, bro. I think next video, I'll talk about the people you keep company. Maybe that's a big thing. If you guys have any suggestions, just hit me in the comments. I'll talk about the people you fucking keep company, who you talk to, who you decide to give your energy to, and the shit that's holding you back, honestly. And yeah, that's all for today. And I'm see y'all boys. God, no, what's the freaking quality so bad over there? But yeah, that's all for today. I'ma see y'all boys later. I'll see you niggas in the next video, bro. That's it. Bye. I don't know, I might edit this video and make it extra edited, or I'll just leave it plain. But yeah, I'm starting to do this now. I'm documenting my fucking journey so you guys can see my personality, see who I am, and so you can realize that you can do this shit too. I'm not some fucking superhuman who was born with a gift and some profound knowledge that... No, bro. I went and I seeked out. I sought the knowledge. And I achieved it. Type shit. Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. And girls, I'm gonna see you guys when I see you guys. And yeah. Peace out. Grind don't stop till the motherfucking casket drop.